Dude, give him a ticket. Like, you do that.
Oh.
Like, this guy is literally blocking a police officer. Yeah, he's gonna get him. He's gonna get him. Good for you, dude.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Alright, contact.
No,
Are you okay? Are you okay?
No,
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Pull up.
Oh God.
Pull up.
Thank you very much, bro. I can't. It was not my fault, was it?
No, it was not.
Oh my God, we got my here, bro.
Looking for next here. Members of Congress have already introduced a bill that would create an inspector general that's a kind of watchdog for federal judges, and they're also drafting a now that might give law clerks and other people who work for the federal court some legal protection. I'm also watching for a couple of independent reports due to come out later this summer, in particular one from the Government Accountability Office. They've been looking at the procedures the courts imposed after the Me Too movement, whether those are really working, and how the courts collect data about.
I think the struts are fine. That is going on YouTube.
What a request from the National Counterterrorism Center.
This bar, we make a left to go up the street. I want to say we made about half a block. The tree on the other side of the street got hit by lightning, and it is unbelievable because you can't predict it. Like I said, there's lightning going all around. We're not particularly worried about this. I mean, directly across the street, basically blows in half.
What are you doing?
The fire and the sparks that shoot off of it.
God damn.
Our big problem with him. Like when we got to the party, we're like, dude, we had 2 cases, I swear to
the kind of work that we do. And I referred to the fact that we have been in the corporate offices of Dewey, Cheatham and Howe, slaving away. And we actually recorded a portion of the work session. And the portion that we tape recorded happened to be my brother snoring for about 10-15 minutes. So you were embarrassed because we played that tape?
Yeah, and that's I'm confused because I don't know if I
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oops.
Holy.
Oh my God!
Holy.
Somebody was. Oh my God! Is that transport okay?
You guys have,
Can we call you back?
yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Rums at Country Garden Liquor Store, next to Camrose Le Chateau Hotel. And brighter on the night we met.
I think we'll be seeing you in a few kilometers.
Champion, world champion, figure skater.
I'm not talking about that one. I'm talking about the Learjet. Holy!
What?
This vehicle is going to crash right in front of me. Oh, it did. It crashed. It turned over. Yeah. He was towing a vehicle. He's towing a vehicle and he got the wobbles. The vehicle he was towing flipped over.
That kind of stuff scares me to watch.
Follow this guy.
See where it says Zoo Health Club? Right next to that.
Uh-oh. He just lost a tire.
Oh.
He literally lost his tire.
I almost hit that other car.
That means, okay, how is everything? Is there any local visits that you would like to make reservations for? So instead of you having a regular doctor, family doctor, and you try to get an appointment, and they tell you, well, we have Tuesday the 19th open at 9 a.m. or whatever. So you pay this doctor that is now going on his own.
Your needs. Help wait another day. Call 844-94-NERVE. That's 844-94.